let's check out the room. So as you first walk in, the door will slam if you have the balcony open. I'm in a balcony on Liberty of the Seas, and let's give it a tour. Starting on the left as you first walk in, you have the closet. Life jackets, tons of hangers, the safe, shelves, but there's plenty of space, I think, for most cruises, 1 or 2 on board. Now going to your right, just across from the closet, you have the bathroom. Light switch. Pretty solid. I think fairly spacious actually. Maybe not the shower. I almost walked out of here before I noticed this. Here's some storage for you. Put your toiletries. Now walking back out, let's check the room. So Liberty of the Seas is in the Freedom class for Royal Caribbean. It seems very similar to the Mariner of the Seas size and specs and everything on board. But apparently there's a difference. But let's continue on a look. Coming in, you have the couch, little table, divider to the room. So the beds will split. You can have 2 twin beds or 1 full or queen. The tables in between would just go right down the middle. Looking over at the desk has plenty of features. Storage here. Come on across. You have storage here. TV remote. All your information you may need. Whatever status you are. My favorite. This is kind of unique. A little table. And then you can hide stuff underneath or just store. Plenty of drawer space. There's a table. There's a chair, drawers, breakfast menu. If you want to buy any water, soft drinks, juices, any of that, that's right there. And then a random folder and tissues. Hair dryer, more storage. I almost forgot one. This one's hiding. Boom. So this one's kind of cool. If you need to dispose of any needles, they go right in there. More drawers. Now this right here is just a cooler. Don't treat it, you can treat it as a fridge, but as you can see right here, 55 degrees. It's just to keep things just enough cool. Continuing on, as you saw, phone, tables, there's drawers on each table. And then my favorite, minus the view right now, with the balcony. Looking out here, good size. Heading back in and getting this view. And ladies and gentlemen, that's your balcony room tour on Liberty of the Seas. If you're interested in a cruise I did last July, click the link below. Or if you want an interior room tour of Royal Caribbean with a pretty similar size ship, click below as well, or maybe I'll put it up there. It's of the interior room on Mariner of the Seas. It's pretty much about the same when it comes to this ship class size, because Mariner of the Seas is not Freedom class. I want to say it's like Voyager, and so that's that. Hope you enjoyed this. Click that like below, hit that thumb for me, subscribe if you're not already. Welcome to my channel. Let's go on more adventures together. See you in the next video.